Hi, I'm Claire from Plantpassion. It's the end of August here in Surrey and it's a great time for propagating perennials. We've got a whole load of sedum out on the field and we want even more because it's fantastic for this time of the year. So we're going to split up the plants that we've got and pot them up. And another reason for us doing this is that at the moment it's got the dreaded ground elder in it. So if we pot these up, we can quarantine them and make sure we've got all the ground elder roots out before we plant them back on the field. So you need a saw or something, a big kitchen knife, something like that. And you can be quite brutal with sedum. You can just literally cut them right through the middle and to split them up. If you're doing it out on the field, you could just get two forks to dig it out and split them apart. This one has needed, quite a bit of force to get it out. I find that you don't want to make it too small because then you won't get really good stem length from it next year. So when you've split it up like this, you can make sure you take as many of the weed roots away that you can see. Luckily ground elder roots are nice and white, so it's quite easy to spot them. So we now have a nice plant that's ready to be potted up. We've got already sieved compost ready to go. Sedum are really quite easy to propagate, so they're not going to need anything particularly special nutrient wise, so you can just use any compost or even sieved garden soil. And then of course, as always, when you've potted it up, make sure you label it. You always think you'll remember at the time, but you won't. This is Sedum Autumn Joy, and it's the end of August. And so this is now going to get watered and it's going to go over to the other side with the ones that we did yesterday, which were slightly different varieties, so they're in a different tray. These were Sedum Matrona, and this is Sedum Autumn Joy. Make sure they're separate so you know which ones they are.